Ready for Halloween on Sunday? Sewing and craft expert Denise Wild joins us this morning with a few simple ways to celebrate. They're all scary good.
Good morning, Annette.
Good morning.
I do have some fun ideas, perfect for this weekend. I know we're all excited for Halloween. So let's start with some balloon ghosts. You can create a little creepy corner in your home. I just blew up a balloon and put some lightweight fabric around it and then added some construction paper eyes. Then hang everything. I hung it all using command ceiling hooks, which are perfect for quick, easy, damage-free hanging. They don't need tools. They hold firmly and securely, and then they don't leave this sticky residue when you take them down. So you can hang everything up and add a little broom in the corner too, and you just get this really cute little corner with the hats and the ghosts, perfect for Halloween. Spook up your interior or exterior.
So cute, and I love that you hung them down so that little ones can see them as well.
Right, exactly. Exactly, we want to celebrate with all the little kids.
Yes,
Okay,
including
next.
Our fur babies.
Yes, let's not forget about those fur babies. We can create a little Halloween spooky corner for them too. So complete with a little setting, maybe some treats and some toys. Of course, a fun costume. All of these goodies are from Petsmart, your one-stop shop for all things pet. I know, look at that's little Mia, my cousin's dog. They've got unique costumes for your dog, your cat, even your guinea pig. Plus Halloween toys and treats are something for every pet at PetSmart. So don't forget about them. You know, have a little celebration, maybe take an Instagram photo and do Halloween with your fur baby.
Okay, and we're doing some work with furry spiders right now.
Yes, well, these spiders, they don't bite, which is awesome, and they're not quite furry. They're made with buttons. So you can take some, I just put this on construction paper. You can put it on one of those black thin placemats. Cut out the shape of any spooky shape you want, whether it's a pumpkin, Frankenstein, a witch maybe, and then put some buttons that you might have kicking around the house, glue those on top, add some googly eyes, and then you can add a little keychain hook, put this on the backpack tag, or, you know, this is just a really fun craft for the kids to try.
That is very
and
cute.
Adults, who doesn't like playing with buttons?
Yeah, and then you've got glasses that we can wear. Oh no, glasses that we can drink from.
Yes, you can drink. Yeah, I mean, you can if you want, and I don't know, whatever your style is.
Well, it depends what's in them and how much I've had.
Yeah, exactly. I love it. Okay, so let your kids get creative by decorating some glassware. You can find glass-specific paint at your local craft store. Just make sure that you follow the instructions because it probably needs to be cured in the oven. So follow those instructions. But you know, then they can get really creative and paint any characters they want onto glassware.
Wow. So what's your favorite craft for Halloween, and how do you get ready?
Well, okay, so I'm doing toilet paper roll characters with my neighbor. She's hosting an outdoor little Halloween party for kids next Friday night, or this Friday night. Oh my goodness, the time flies. This Friday night. And, you know, toilet paper rolls, they're just my go-to craft supply this year.
It's the ultimate in recycling, right? Well, Denise, always great to chat with you. Great ideas. And we'll get the information up on our website, chch.com.
Happy Halloween.